Hey, what's going on? So it's Ron Pascal here again with Digital Brand Boosters, and we're going to be going over plugins in WordPress. So this is going to be how to use plugins, how to change plugins, and make sure they're installed properly, okay? And what you're going to do here is, if you're log in correctly, I explained it numerous times how to log in on WordPress. You're going to navigate to the plugin section of your site. So if you click plugins, it's going to show up, and you're going to see here is a bunch of plugins for you to see. And these are plugins already installed, so you can deactivate a plugin if you want to turn it off. You can go to settings real quick from here to change settings on the plugin. Some plugins have the settings elsewhere, so if you install a plugin and you don't see it here, most likely, just like Drift, right? Like it'll come up here. Like you'll see there's no settings option for Drift here, but you'll see Drift right there. So sometimes they like to jump around a lot, but overall, if you install a plugin, they're most likely here. And what's cool about WordPress is you can actually search to install plugins. So let's say you're searching through Google, hey, I want a payment processor on my site. Is there a WordPress payment processor out there? You Google it, and let's say you find one and you want to install it. Now, the first thing you can do is you can either click Add New at the top here, and if you have the file, you can actually upload the raw file by itself. You can just click Upload, choose File, and it'll search through your computer to try to find the plugin, and you can just upload it that way. Or what you can do is you can search through WordPress.com itself. Like they have a search here, so if I type in like contact or something, it's gonna search, you see, like popular plugins or something like that. Like you can search different plugins in the world. Like, see, there's 43,000 items. Just like a search engine, you can see contact form 7s right here. You can search different plugins and install them. So I installed Yoast for the client, Yoast SEO. I installed contact form 7. If you want a shopping cart, there's WooCommerce. There's different plugins you can play with and install on your site. So overall, how you use each plugin, I mean, they're very different in the settings. There's a lot of different settings for each individual one. Like Drift is different. Drift is here, and the settings are actually on drift.com, so you got to go to drift.com and make sure it's enabled here. But some of them are directly on WordPress. Like if you look at Yoast SEO, I installed that plugin, and you can see the settings are right here. You can change the settings right here and navigate through everything. And how Yoast SEO works is you can edit title tags, meta descriptions on the page itself. So if I click edit and scroll down, you're going to see that plugin in effect working down here, okay? So just wait for the page to load. Forgive me, I'm in a low Wi-Fi area. Just give it a little bit. And boom, you'll see here Digital Pine, Colorado, and all the information here. This is the plugin in full effect, okay? So overall, this is how you use WordPress.com with plugins, and anything else, just be sure to reach out to us and we'll definitely get it handled for you. Thank you.